Guys, good morning. Welcome to my kitchen. Welcome back to my kitchen. If you have been here before, my name is Peaches. For those of you lovely people who are new on my channel, now I figure I'm gonna start sharing some very useful shorts with you guys as I go around my home and I do stuff that I think could benefit you, right? And one of the things that I'm doing this morning is I am actually portioning out some veggies, and I thought I'll go ahead and share it with you, right? Because it can be useful to you if you buy your veggies in bulk. For example, I bought this big bag of corn at Costco, and no, you don't have to buy them at Costco. You can also buy them at No Frills, right? No Frills, you don't need a membership, so you can buy your corns, your peas, your beans in bulk at No Frills. And one of the most convenient thing to do is to portion them out. So all you need to do that is to get yourself some small Ziploc bags and a bowl and a measuring cup. Now I use a 1 cup measuring cup, and that is because there are 4 in my family, right? And so 1 cup of peas or corn is good enough for any meal because they will be mixed with other veggies. And then all you have to do is pour your veggies out in a big bowl, and then a cup at a time you measure out your little baggies. Now I have just finished doing that with these peas, and the thing that I do after I finish measuring them out, you know what, let me share a point with you, because I decide when I open my bag that I want at least 12 of these little baggies. And so what I do is put a cup in each bag, 12 bags. No, this is not 12. I'm just using my hand, but yeah, 12 bags. And if there's any left over after I get 12 bags, then I'll divvy up whatever is left over among the 12 bags. And then when I'm done, I put all 12 bags back in this bag, which means that I know exactly where my peas or my beans or my corn is when I go in my freezer, guys. What do you think? Let me know in the comment section. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. I will see you again soon.